Folks, rain in the house. Finally, Keystone, they did it right. Keystone, they made the brand new Reign 18 RV. You should see in the front and see how beautiful from the side walls, from the fiberglass, from the LED light. I mean, we wait late night to get this video for you so we could show you how beautiful this edge LED light, and this edge light, you will see through this video, is around. So you have two on the front, one at the bottom this side, two in the back, and one in the other side. But let's focus what's Reign. Reign is a true aluminum frame unit, solid fiberglass. What I like about this fiberglass, it does not fade. They give you a lot of warranty, even they give you 3-year warranty on it. You could see it's gel coated, shiny, beautiful fiberglass. People, the thing is, this trailer is being painted like a high-end fifth wheel, which is not. It's a gel coated, and the paint is built in the side of the fiberglass. Inside the fiberglass. Look how fancy these doors. They are latch. Then also, if you say, Niall, I don't want these slides to bother my neighbors, I could come over here. If you give me a chance, I could dim them. I could turn them on. Look here. Look here. Look how I could dim them. Also, if I don't want them on, I could turn them off. So that's another features what they did. Also, all Keystone, as we know, they come with a 220 watt solar panel built in with a controller, and it has inverter prep. Even latch on the doors. Nice solid one-piece awning with LED light, as you see in this video. Beautiful power awning. That's another. And this, what I like about frameless window. So you could see there's no frame for this window, and no need to caulk around the windows because it's a frameless, solid metal wheel fender, off-road tires, outside barbecue grill, so I could put a grill here outside if I want to. This is the model 18RB with the 220. Solid step, aluminum, which is nicer, they don't rust. And you come over here, it has the jacks, two in the back, two in the front. And what I want to focus, if you come down this way and show them the frame. This is a galvanized frame, so they have less rust, and it's you could see everything is bolted on it, even better. And when it comes to the axle, if you point over them to here, they could see the torsion bar axle. That's independent suspension. You could go off-roading and less bouncing in the road. Now, when it comes to the back, I love the back. Look at it. Guys, I mean it. You guys need to come and look at it. Look how beautiful this red LED light. You could turn them on while you're driving. You could turn them off. You're in full control, so you don't have. If they bother you, you could turn them off. But me personally, I really like. Look how beautiful this. Especially at night, you're driving in the road. Those red LED light like a semi truck. Then you have the nice clearance. I like that vents for the bathroom. This is very modern one. You have a backup camera prep, spare tires. You have a bumper here, solid bumper, not a cheapy one. You can put your sewer hose. And here, far away, show them how beautiful this side. I like those light on the right of the slide and a light on the other side of the slide. It's amazing. When you go to a campground in the night, you can see where you're gonna hook up your tanks. It's beautiful, love it. They did it right. And then they have the power core 30 amp cable hookup. That's the place for your furnace. And then you come over here, as usual, you have the endless hot water heater. That's another advantage for you, and the endless hot water heater. And then you have the pass-through storage. I like everything is in one docking station. You have city water connections. You have the city water, antifreeze, outside showers, and outside sprayers actually, with hose come with it. And then you have the nice black diamond. This is nice black diamond. Also, you have additional solar panel hookup over here, so I could add another panel. But I really love the frame. No rust like the other ones. Nice galvanized. Now, when we go inside the unit, I want you guys to come and see Reign 18RB from inside. Folks, please give me your opinion. Give me your thought. It's very super modern, contemporary. Not too much white, not too much gray. I mean, it's this kind of natural wood look as well with the white walls and the black balances. I like the black balances, and you know, the roller shade. Make it really rich unit. And again, we're focusing on this product on the weight. This is very half-ton towable. Even you could pull them with the 5,000-pound vehicles. They're very light. We got the first shipment of 18 RBS. Also, we have the 18 bunk. So this is a really nice product. And Keystone, they're not chasing as much as they're competing with other names in that segment. So this segment, it give you the ultralight trailers with a slide and 18 footers, and it give you more than the normal. Now, one thing what I like about it is that Murphy bed over here is more nice finish. As you see, you have a nice beautiful sofa, it sit high, and then you have a storage. You could access it with the net. And then if you want to make this a solid queen bed, very simple. You lower this one. Look how so easy. Very simple. Just one latch. That's all I did. One latch. And voila. You have full queen bed, 60 by 80. You have even storage places here. Storage places right here, hanging clothes. They made it very contemporary, modern look, modern. I like about it, this is big deal. One piece fiberglass, one piece aluminum frame. It's a solid foam, solid roof. Look at it. I'm banging on it, nothing happening. Same thing with the floor, same thing with the wall. By doing vacuum bonded roof and walls and floor, it gives the ability to give you more lighter unit and more solid. So this is what, first, there's no stables like some other competitors. Is one piece, aerodynamic, eliminate the waters coming in, and even if the water weren't coming in, there's no way because it's a solid one piece foam with aluminum truss. Then we have the nice modern LED light, as you see all over. Isn't beautiful? And then there's hookup here on the side and hookup on the other side, and they already inverter prep. All these windows have solid balances with roller shade. It's not very solid. What I like about this trailer is very tough. So if you decide to take it to off-roading, the axles support that, the tires support that, the wheel fender support that, the walls support that, the aluminum frame support that. So we have no issue here. See how so easy? You see how so easy I made the Murphy bed? Not even a quarter minute. Just couple hand and this. And then they give you a nice fireplace. This 18-foot come with electric fireplace here. As well, it has a furnace. So don't think you're getting fireplace because no furnace. No, this unit come with a propane furnace and electric fireplace. So if you have your bed down, it's cozy. And then this is really heat, give a lot of heat. Over here, I have a nice sofa, or you could sit with the kick. So I could kick my chair, raise my feet. I have the nice 32-inch smart TV in front of me. I could watch TV, raising my feet, and I got plenty of room. And then if you say, now, wait a minute, how come you're selling this trailers and it has no dinette? Nobody. It has a dinette and even has more counter space. What do you need more than that? There's a lot of room, prepping, putting food, serving. Also, you have another sleeping bed here. So you have another bed here. So you could sleep two kids or one big adult. You have a queen bed in the front. Nice thing about the seating, I could seat easy 4 or 5 people across each other's with no problem. When it's come to kitchen, I got plenty counter space as you see here. If you don't like this to be in the way, no problem. There you go. Just bring it back in. I like this touch where you can put all your stuff. Look how deep it is. Show them how deep it is. Place for your towels, more storage, a hood light and fan, 2-burner stove with LED light, and then big sink with a cutting board. I love this faucet, guys. This faucet has straight faucet, as everybody know, straight faucet. But I could turn it to also to a waterfall. So I could bring like a waterfall, or I could bring little faucet like this, or I could do a spray. That's another feature this unit has. You have convection microwave. So this is stainless steel, so I could cook inside as well. Use it as a microwave. So don't worry about oven because you already have it here, electric oven. And then when it's come over here, you have standard. How big the fridge is. Like the competitor in this line, they give you the 5 cubic foot refrigerator. This one has the 11 cubic refrigerators, 2 separate door, big door for the freezer as you see here, and big fridge, run off 12 volts. And again, no worries because you have the 220 watt solar panel. This has a privacy pocket door, so if you don't want to see your bathroom when you have some friends, no problem, because it comes with the pocket door right here. And if you want to use the bathroom, come over here. Voila. Show them how nice the medicine cabinet, nice sink, porcelain toilet. This is porcelain. I like this place. You can put your soap, your toothbrush, hanging towels. This is neat. Everybody laugh at me and say, what's this? Look like a spaceship. No, this is light, and you push it, and if I turn this switch, now I have a fan, take all the heat from the bathroom and a shower and the smell, and then when I'm done with it, I close it, turn it off, the fan, and then turn off the light. You have a lot of place here to put your towels. And then I like the shower, even if it's a small trailer and ultralight does not, they still kept it the same stuff. So I still have the high room for my shower. Look how nice the shower head. Woo! And then our door. So that's the advantage of the Reign. They give you everything the ultralight product has. So we shopped. We got because we have good relationship with Keystone and the manufacturers and our customers, so we always give you the best product, best brands, and the best price, and a price no one can match. Come to Best RV. Come look at the Reign travel trailer. I want you to come just see the nice LED light from outside and the fiberglass of this unit, plus all this extra amenities. Come to Best RV and get your first Reign in the state of California.